10 amazing tips to nail
The most amazing burger. Gas on, okay? I'm using a grill pan, okay? But you can use a frying pan. So a grill pan, get that on and get it nice and hot. Crank that thing up high, okay? Always close that lid, okay? Keep it down, that gets the maximum amount of heat in there. But I took some blocks of butter, froze it, and then grated the butter into the burger. So I'm gonna get that nice, rich, buttery, smooth flavor inside that delicious burger. I'll get that soft butter, okay? And just literally lightly brush that butter on there. That's gonna give the pate a really nice caramelization. Now, first off, season. Touch of salt, touch of pepper. So be smart. Nicely seasoned. Salt, pepper. I've got a little bit of garlic powder, okay? Now I'm putting an egg in there, okay? Stay with your tilts, pan over. I'd like the yolk, okay?
Don't use your hand.
Hold on, it's my burger. Yolk, okay? In. Now, from there, okay? And look what that egg does. That egg actually makes it a little bit richer, okay? If you've got more time than I have tonight, then make it a little bit thicker. If you haven't, then make them nice and thin. So take off a nice ball, okay? Almost like a sort of the size of a tennis ball. And then literally start shaping those burgers like that. Now, look, get your hands around and just literally place that on. To protect the bun, I've got some nice fresh arugula. And because of the fatty richness of this burger, it doesn't need dressing. So I put the arugula on there to help protect the bread and give that nice little peppery flavor. Now I want to sprinkle some of that chopped bacon on that mayo and the rest on top of the tomatoes. So this is a really nice crispy bacon base with a crispy bacon topping. And the secret behind these pates is do not keep on flipping them, okay? The more you flip them, okay, the more they're gonna break. Cheese on there, okay? Put that on, okay? Bring that to the side, and just to get that cheese melting, okay, I take a little bit of butter, and I sort of create a little bit of sort of extra flavor with the butter underneath. And that's going to give it so much flavour. But look, get a pan, and put the pan on, and just stick that on top there like that. That'll help melt the cheese. And just quickly move my burger over to there. That's nice and juicy. So put the burgers up there to rest. They'll continue cooking. Olive oil, salt, pepper. I want to toast the buns. That protects the actual burger and stops the whole thing from becoming soggy.